my name is Thomas Tuck, Regional Sales Manager here at CR Onsrud, today in our Troutman, North Carolina factory. Today, I'm going to give you a machine walkthrough of one of our latest builds, a 5-axis 367 G Series with 53 inches of Z height that will be used by Scout Boats in Summerville, South Carolina to cut a wide range of materials and parts to improve their manufacturing and R&D process in building some of the best boats in the world. Now, although this machine will be used in the process of boat manufacturing, the CR Onsrud 5-axis G Series is used across the globe to cut large format parts in not only the marine industry, but the aerospace, defense, and automotive industries as well. Whether your business needs to process composite, plastic, foam, aluminum, or a combination of different materials and then some, this highly configurable machine is designed to meet just about any challenge you throw at it, overcoming those challenges and helping you accomplish your manufacturing goals. One of the first things you'll notice about this machine is the work envelope. This particular machine is produced specifically for Scout Boats who specializes in center console, sport fishing, and bay boats. To bring their manufacturing to the next level, they needed a machine capable of handling both small and large composite foam components for their plugs, molds, and other various boat parts. To make sure that they had what they needed and gave them room to grow, we developed one of our largest G-Series 5-axis machine options. As it sits, this machine has 53 inches of Z height, 10 feet in the Y-axis, and 30 feet in the X-axis. But let's pretend your business needs a larger work envelope or smaller work envelope. That's not a problem. That's what's great about this G-Series machine, and that it's one of the most configurable machines in our CNC offering. This machine can be built with as small as a 5x10 table, all the way up to 12 feet wide by 100+ foot long. So now that you've seen just how big this machine is, let's dive in a bit closer and take a look at some of the configurable options that we offer in our G-Series that are also available on other models we manufacture. This here is our 15 horsepower 5-axis spindle option, which packs plenty of power and RPM for composite applications and the specific intentions of Scout Boats. Depending on your application, we offer spindle horsepower from 12 all the way up to 75, or can tailor a solution based on your needs. For example, we've previously built a 42-foot long dual gantry machine that was equipped with 4 24 horsepower spindles on each gantry for 8 total spindles. We've also manufactured a 5-axis G Series similar to this machine here with dual gantries and a 5-axis spindle on each gantry to machine aluminum extrusions. Whatever your goals or needs are, CR Onsrud has the full engineering and manufacturing capacity to tackle it. Next, let's talk about a couple features of this machine that I really like. First, we have auto tool measurement. This system by Renishaw not only allows the operator to measure the tool length, but also the diameter. Next, air knives. When machining fibrous or dusty material, it's important to better protect the machine to improve the longevity of those components. These air knives will blow air along the rack and pinion and guide rail during machining to help clean off any dust or debris. Lastly, pop-up pins. To accurately place material on the machine in reference to the 0 point of a CR Onsrud, these pop-up pins can be used to help align the material for accurate machining. When machining a lot of different components, it's important to reduce your changeover and setup time and also properly tell the machine where that component is. Here we have a Renishaw receiver, so you can utilize a Renishaw probe system to probe the faces of the component, alternate for the coordinate or the rotation of the component, and properly execute the program. At CR Onsrud, all of our CNC machines come equipped with a tool changer. This particular machine has a 12-position rotary tool changer and a dedicated station for longer, larger diameter, and aggregates. Many of our CNCs can be equipped and tailored to meet your needs, whether that's the basic and standard option of 10 or 12, all the way up to 100+. When utilizing vacuum as the work hold method, it is important to have the proper combination of pressure and CFM. This is necessary to properly secure the material in place during machining and eliminate the variable of the component moving. To minimize loss and improve the efficiency, this particular CNC has 7 vacuum zones to allow 100% of the vacuum to be focused in the area of machining. These vacuum zones are typically M-code controlled, so It allows you the flexibility to turn them on or off at the beginning or end of a program, or by utilizing our Fanuc touchscreen control. At CR Onsrud, Fanuc is our control manufacturer of choice. Not only does our CNC equipment have Fanuc controller, we also integrate many of their components, including Fanuc servos, drives, encoders, and other solutions to provide our customers with the reliability, performance, and ability they demand. All of our Fanuc controls come standard with the Fanuc interface. However, we take that a step further and have designed our CR Onsrud interface. Ease of use is also important, and why we've designed this control interface around customer feedback. This provides a CNC operator with little experience or decades of knowledge, simplicity, and functionality to save them time and you money. Thank you all for joining us today for this walkthrough of our 5-axis large work envelope G-Series. We'd love to learn more about your business, goals, challenges, and needs, and become a partner. I invite you to give us a call or visit our website at www.cronsrud.com.